Good morning, students. This is again Sarish Khatri with a new video of crop production and management chapter. As we have covered previous topic irrigation and we are discussing about agriculture practices. In this we are discussing how agriculture in that crops are grown, what methods we use. So irrigation was one of the method in which I told you before that water is given to the plants crops and then it grows at a regular interval, and there are some methods like that drip system, sprinkler system. So those methods we had discussed. Now after giving the water to plant, crop is growing. So the next topic which we are going to discuss, that is crop protection. Obviously if crop is protected, then the crop will be useful for us. The growth of crop matters to us. If crops are healthy, then we can get healthy nutrition from that crops. So that's why protection is very important for the crops. So protection, in which way we can do and what are the main problems occur during protection, like crops are growing so animals can harm it, birds can harm it, even some small insects, microorganisms, rats, these organisms can harm the crops, damage the crops, and also some kind of diseases can be there. So to stop these all things and to protect from all these, we use some methods that are called crop protection methods. So in that, first method is scarecrow. You have seen scarecrow around your nearby fields. That is an image of human, like that is made by temporary human image by some using sticks and by using a kind of picture. So like that it looks like a human to stay away the birds, because birds, they think that that is a human being staying inside the mid of the field, so that's why they don't come in that field. So this is the scarecrow method to stay away birds. Second method is pesticide. You have heard about it already. These are some chemicals. These chemicals are different from fertilizers. These chemicals are not for the growth of crops. These chemicals are made for the killing the pest. That's why its name is pesticide. Pest means small microorganisms like fungi, like small animals like rats, small insects. So they can damage the crop, they can kill the crop, they can stop the growth of crop, even they can give the disease to crop. So by that that crop will be not useful, and the complete hard work of the farmer will be wasted. So that pesticides are used to kill these all harmful organisms. So pesticides that I told you, that is made by chemicals, so these are poisonous. In this, different kind of chemicals are made, like insecticides. Insecticide is made as per the name that is given, insecticide. It is made to kill the insects, small insects which can kill that crop, which can give disease to crop. So that is insecticide. Similarly fungicides, that is made to kill fungi. That is also small microorganism, we have discussed this earlier. So that is also used to destroy the crops. Rodenticides means that is a kind of chemical which is used to kill rats and mice, because these can enter in the field anywhere and that can damage the crops by eating it. So these chemicals together are called pesticides. So this is about the chemicals, and these chemicals are used to kill all the harmful organisms which can damage the crops. So this is about pesticide. If we use it very much, then it can harm the crops also. By that, crops can be poisonous. So before eating any kind of crop, that we should wash that properly. Like DDT, BHC, malathion, these are the examples of pesticides. These are the name. Third method is weeding. It is very important method. Process of removing weeds is called weeding. Now question is, what is the meaning of weeds? Weeds are those unwanted plants which grow along crops by using nutrition of soil, water from soil, sunlight, and they grow along with the crops. These are not useful plants. We don't want these plants, but they grow automatically. So this can affect the growth of the crops, because they will use the nutrition, they will use the water, they will use the sunlight, whatever the should be given to the crops, that is taken by these crops, these plants which are not needed by us. So these are called weeds. So for example, amaranthus, like cholai we can say in Hindi. Similarly, wild oat, these are the examples of weeds. They grow automatically along with the crops, so we don't want them. If they will grow more, then what will happen? They will take the more nutrition from soil, and that nutrition will not reach to the crops. So it affect the growth. And to remove the weeds, that is very important we have to remove the weeds, and for that we use three methods. So what we do in first method is manual. These are plants we can remove it by hand, which is a very typical process, because in all over the field there are weeds. So that is by hand. If a farmer is trying to remove it, that will take very much time. By harrow is a kind of a tool, and we can say agricultural implements that we have discussed already. In Hindi we can say khurpi, that is used to cut the weeds from the roots, because these are very important to cut from the roots. Second method is chemical method. In chemical, we use chemicals to kill the weeds, like weedicides. Like I have told you, for pest there is pesticide, for insect there is insecticide. Similarly, for weed there is weedicide. Weedicide is a chemical like MCPA 2.24AD. That is a example of weedicide. If we give them, then give to the field, then weeds will not grow. That will automatically kill. That is only made to kill the weeds. Third method is biological. In this method, what we do, we release enemies of weeds, means the organisms, some kind of small insects which can kill the weeds only. So like cochineal insects, what they do, they directly eat the weeds and finish the weeds. So that is biological method. So these methods are used to kill the weeds, and this process of removing weeds is called weeding. So this is about the weeds and weeding. And another method which we can use to protect the crop, that is if we use fence around the field. You have seen iron fence. So by that what can happen, stray animals like dogs, like cattle, like they cannot enter in the field, and they cannot damage the field. So that fencing is the one of the method to save the crops. So this is about the protection of crops from many of the things, and that is very important. If we have to save the crops, we have to use the crops for future, and because it is a very hard working process, so protection is very important part out of these all parts. So I hope this topic is clear. So I'm noticing down that you are not serious about these videos, so please get serious about these videos and watch them, and please like these videos if you like. If you any comment you want to give there's any problem, so please comment me, and you can subscribe my channel also. Thank you and have a beautiful day.